So what's up, guys? So today we're gonna be taking the Evo to the future. Alright? And what I mean by that is putting something on that it should already had stock. Like, I don't know why it doesn't. But so today we're gonna be putting on the hood dampers for the Evo. Alright, so I'm filming this in the back seat because it's windy right now. But this is the dampers. And yes, they are carbon. So you got your dampers. Let me see if I can get into focus. Yes, beautiful. So beautiful. It's real too. So I got the carbon fiber dampers. And then you have your hinges. So it's only a couple bolts, so let's do it. It should be quick. Like, quick and easy. Every time I say that, it's very long. So we'll find out right now. See? No more of this. No more. Can just open it with one hand. No more of this stupid sticky thing. Alright, so these are the bolts we're gonna take off. Right here. Right here. So we got this bolt and this bolt. So this lower bracket will go right here, and then this is the top bracket, and it shall go like so, this way. Alright, so let's get started unscrewing all this, and yeah.
Yeah, secrets only Jehovah knows. My verse is covered in cinnamon, the sweet of 16. I snatch a kiss from your pigment. Walk through the 7 seas, your face on top of a pyramid. No power steering, still speed race for your heart and from all.
Alright, so for the hood one, the top one, I didn't put the washer because it already had the washer and the lock washer on it. And if I put that on, it's like too thick and it's like really close. So I didn't put the one that it came with. I'm gonna just keep the stock one on.
Guess we must be in love. Don't gotta say it. Much rather juggle up problems than bother with conversation. And we drink, and we smoke, and we ride.
That's on. That's on. Now all we gotta do is put these struts on. And boom, that's one side.
And we drink,
so pretty,
and we smoke,
so pretty.
and we ride, and we roll, and we cruise. Take it slow.
Alright, so now
where we go, never know. Lies only Jehovah knows. My nose grow like Pinocchio. Out in the open, I'm starting to lose my focus. I'm starting to paint a picture with you out the bigger picture. Damn, man, you used to cross me like Christians, Catholics slashing backwards, snapping at accusations, trying to test me like Cassie, cooking up these assumptions without an apron to bake it. 4 in the morning, yelling how foul like I did you flagrant, claiming you out the loop, can't even swallow the truth without a chaser. Then I chase you around the room and embrace you, ruin your makeup, kiss, fuck, then I huddle you moments after we make up, and then I take you, and we drink, and we smoke, and we ride real slow. And we drink, and we smoke, and we ride, and we roll, and we cruise.
So that's one side done. Let's do this real quick. And that'll be a project.
Shepherds the weak through the valley of darkness, for he is truly his brother's keeper and the finder of lost children. And I will strike down upon thee with great vengeance and
Whip into a bedroom on the low ho. I know that
Some
you
more of
with
that.
it. She wavy.
Before we take that off, double check, make sure we're perfect. Perfect. Look at that. Perfect. Beautiful. What it should have had on it all along. And your hood is actually propped up a little bit higher. That's the hole it goes in. So it's higher. More workspace technically. So we're gonna take this out now. And that will be the finished project. So let's do that. Let's take it all the way off. Bracket it off. That should be out of our way. Should be able to pull this out. No, come on. Boom. Boom. No more sticky thingy. No more hood prop. Done. Now let's screw this back in.
Shot my nigga Rob, he 2G, that's why we Gucci. See me sliding through the city, I don't know about where you be. Mr. Keep a bad bitch, they back it up like I was juvie.
That's it for this install, and as always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and that's a wrap.